Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha Misra. This is a completely new me. I am someone's wife, someone's daughter-in-law, and what not. So I took a break, and after the 14th or 15th day, I've started vlogging now. So yeah, let's do it. I'm unable to see the right side of the camera. Of course, I need a little bit of time. So this entire house we have shifted to my husband's quarter where he's living and he's working, and this entire house is a mess. It was a mess. Then I have cleaned a little bit and converted into a house or more like a home or something. So yeah, I will show you the home a little bit. Glimpse दिखाऊंगी. Judge नहीं करना है. मैंने बहुत मेहनत किया है. So yeah, this is the study space. Right now I was going to do a little bit of journaling यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर खिड़की से बहुत अच्छा बहुत सारे बर्ड्स का चिर्पिंग वॉइसेस ऑल सुनाई देता रहता है. सो आई सिट हियर एंड दिस इज़ अ लिटिल सिटिंग एरिया. क्योंकि ये छोटा सा क्वार्टर है और यहाँ पे सोफ़ा वगैरह डाल के मैं इसको ज़्यादा मेस नहीं करना चाहती थी. लाइक मी, माई हस्बैंड ऑल्सो लाइक्स टू रीड, बट ही लाइक्स टू रीड अ लॉट मोर अबाउट फिजिक्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स बिकॉज ही बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम अ फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट एंड ही लाइक्स टू रीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स, इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तो उसका थोड़ा बहुत कलेक्शन यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा. नाउ this is the bathroom area, which does not need to be sewn. Then this is the bedroom area, which was a mess again. और इसको भी थोड़ा सा set करना बाकी है. And I'm so sorry for this. For this, I have told him not to do so. But वो करते रहते हैं, तो मुझे ये रस्सी ही निकाल कर फेंकना होगा. Anyways, this is the bed. तो सुबह उठने के बाद दिस इज़ मेरा सामान. तो मेरे सामान के लिए जगह ही नहीं रखे हैं. तो विच इज़ वेरी नॉट जेंटलमैन टाइप. बट या, ये रूम हीटर है क्योंकि यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर 8 to 6 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो जाता है. यहाँ पे छोटा सा सिटिंग एरिया है क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे बैठकर किताबें पढ़ना पसंद करती हूँ. So this entire self is also dedicated to him. So all the selves are dedicated to him. So it is completely inhuman towards me anyways. So moving on to our kitchen. So this is our little kitchen जो कि अभी मेस हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने अभी हम लोग काम कर रहे थे किचन में और he made some chicken for me. दिखाती हूँ. This is what he made for me. It is all right. एंड उनके लिए मैंने थोड़ा सा चाय बना रखा था, वो पी कर गए हैं. मुझे डिश वॉश भी करना है. एंड दिस इज़ अ लिटिल सिटिंग एरिया फॉर अस. ये राशन का सामान मैंने सेट किया हुआ है जहाँ पे यहाँ पर बैठकर हम लोग खाना वाना करते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ आवर ठाकुरो घरो. दिस इज़ आवर ठाकुरो घरो. एंड या दिस इज़ इट. इतना ही छोटा घर है हमारा. सो यही है जो भी है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट. मुझे ज़्यादा खाने का मन है नहीं, तो थोड़ा सा ब्राउन ब्रेड और पीनट बटर लूँगी और ग्रीन टी, बस दैट्स इट. एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एनीथिंग एल्स. एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू डू जर्नलिंग एंड आई विल स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. मेरा पढ़ाई करने का मन करने लगा है बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि ये जो लाइफ दिख रहा है मुझे शादी के बाद, मुझे ये लाइफ नहीं चाहिए. I want to work and to want to be able to support him financially as well. So yeah, let's study. So let me tell you something. Cleaning and cooking has never been a problem to me. I love to do it all. I love to clean my space. I love to clean my cooking area and everything. As long as no one forces me to do this. The problem is not cooking and cleaning. The problem is the way society has portrayed these kind of things to us. इट्स लाइक तुमको तो करना ही पड़ेगा, तुम तो लड़की हो, लड़कियों का तो काम ही होता है ये करना. दैट इज़ वॉट आई हेट. दैट इज़ वॉट एग्जैक्टली आई हेट. आई एम नॉट हेटिंग दिस बेसिक चोर्स. ऑफकोर्स आई डू लव all those things, but you know what, the emotions portrayed behind all these words has made me hate a certain kind of thing. For example, cooking and cleaning for people and cooking and cleaning for me, both of them are different criteria. So yeah, I'm not feeling well because, of course, this is the first day of my periods. So yeah, my husband was kind enough to help me, though I don't want to make it a husband vlog, but it is becoming. So, anyways, keeping everything aside, this is a book, Sirf Swapna Nahi Hai Son Chiraiya by Hemendra Chandalia. Hemendra Chandalia is a professor, and this is his book. And you know what? Let me tell you something. We were allowed to, in Odisha, in Odia culture, the couple is not allowed to move far away, not just in your place, far away, before the end of seventh day of their marriage. So after the seventh day, on the eighth day, we went to university to collect my certificate, conduct certificate in CLC and all those things. So we went there, and I also wanted to rejoice and relive certain memories of the university life, and I loved each and every part of it. We met our professors. I met my professors, Professor Aloka Patel, Professor retired Professor Kalidas Misra sir, also Professor Ajit Kamar sir, and all those professors were really happy to see me. And they all of them blessed us, and they gave us sweet. We should be the one who should be taking sweets for them. So nevertheless, they gave us the sweets and all those things. So I asked Kalidas sir is someone who is well equipped or well known about English literature as well as Odia literature. Mind you, both the literature he has, it has like all sorts of ideas about Odia and English literature as well. So I wanted him to recommend a book to me and give that book to me so that I'll be able to keep it. So this is a signed copy, mind you. This is a signed copy of Professor Chandalia, and it is written here with love and deep regards, Professor Kalidas Misra. I'm going to show the picture over here somewhere. Hemendra, मई 24 2010 उदयपुर से आया हुआ था ये किताब। ये मिला है कालिदास सर को 2010 मई 24 में, और मैं 9 दिसंबर 2025 को मैं ली हूँ उनसे। उन्होंने मुझे दिया ये किताब पढ़ने के लिए। So right now it's 10:30 p.m. and I'm here to write a little bit, journal a little bit, the eventual night routine of writing down certain things. And my partner is here preparing for his next class or something like that. What are you preparing for?
Preparing for questions of probability.
So he's preparing for questions of probability, and I'm here addressing something to Sri Krishna and trying to write down certain feelings before I go to sleep.